Turn up to this one, no heating's a fault. It's on constant for heating on the programmer. The room stat's turned up. I always like to move it up and down to hear the click. So we got an old Baxi Bermuda back boiler here. Whip the little display cover off. We can see it's just a pilot light up there. There's no main flame. Head upstairs, it's the Y plan. So whip out the breakdown Bible, scroll down to Y plan, fault finding flowchart, no heating. So we know the programmer was on, we know the heating was set to on programmer and room stat. Boiler's not displaying a fault code because it's an ancient back boiler. So we go straight up to the 10-way and whip the front off. Let's play a game and find the right cable. So we're going to be looking for 240 on white. We are getting 240 on white, so that proves that the program and the room stat are okay. So we're going to look for 240 on orange. We're not getting 240 on orange. So we're going to replace the zone valve. Grab one off the van, we love a bit of van stock. Because it was electrically not connecting, I'm just going to change the head, so I'll check to make sure that's free. Pop the new head on. Have time for a quick coffee. Pop the electrics back on. Let's do a few checks. We're still getting 240 on white, which is good. Now we're getting 240 on orange as well. Nip downstairs, have a quick look, see what the back boiler's saying. Main flame, heating's on. Happy days.